Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Fidelity Mutual Fund full guide. Open your Fidelity account, go to your holdings, select the mutual fund, choose sell, enter shares or dollar amount, pick market or limit order, review fees and tax implications, and confirm the trade. After the sale settles, transfer proceeds or reinvest according to your plan, and keep records for Form 1099, and consult a tax advisor for personalized guidance. Decide between market and limit orders. Each affects execution price and timing. Use market orders for quick execution, limit orders to control price, and consider trading near market open or close for volume. Check the fund prospectus for trading windows, minimums, and any redemption fees. If selling large positions, consider staggering orders to reduce market impact and document your rationale for compliance and record keeping. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and strong suction for busy investors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a tiny time saver while managing your investments. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Understand settlement and tax timing when you sell mutual funds. Sales typically settle in 1 to 3 business days, depending on fund type. Proceeds may be delayed until settlement. Track cost basis method to calculate gains and expect Form 1099 reporting for taxable events. Consider tax loss harvesting, wash sale rules, and consult a tax advisor for complex situations to optimize after-tax outcomes and avoid surprises come tax time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.